I started learning how to code by doing data analysis. Is the truth. I'm not embarrassed by it, but it is the truth. I started with Python and then I started to plot data using matplotlib. It's a library. All the people who've used that will know this. But matplotlib is pretty ugly. It's pretty academic and ugly, and it's not particularly good to look at. I always wanted to make graphs look better, but I couldn't do it. The best I could do is D3. D3 is a library in JavaScript, which looks pretty good. That's what I've used in my projects till now to show graphs. But this is a complete game changer, and honestly, I feel like I've been waiting for this my entire life for some reason. For 1 year since I learned how to code, I've been waiting for this. This is absolutely beautiful, and all of this is animated. It has smooth transitions. It is interactive. And the code is barely a few lines. This is it. This is all to generate the data itself. Just remove all of this. This is it. That's how you generate a line graph in this. It has an amazing API, and I really like it right now. The first impressions, I love it because I've tried making graphs before. I've tried making graph components before, and I wish I had come up with this. I wish I was smart enough to come up with this, but I couldn't. But at least we can appreciate what we have right now. This comes from a library called Tremor. Tremor is a library which you can check out at tremor.so. And it is absolutely beautiful. It is so good. I am in love with this library. I've been wanting to make graphs like this forever, and I haven't been able to. And now it's so easy. It's just a couple of lines. It's just this. That's it. You have to fetch data from an API and you have to show it over here. You just have to give the data over here. That's it. How beautiful is that? The levels of abstraction that we are reaching at this point is insane. What you have to do is go to the installation section, initialize the Tremor CLI in your Next.js project, set up with Tailwind. Tailwind is an absolute necessity. And you can just start using this. It's that simple. You just start using these things. It's great. The donut charts have absolutely beautiful animations. The accordions are fine too, I guess. They're not the best, but I guess they're fine. They don't. All right. You can probably customize these, right? They have cards. They have badges. This is basically a dashboard library. I created a dashboard and I implemented this myself using CSS. Now I don't have to. I can just use these, give it some data, and that's it. It has date range pickers and many more. It's basically a readily made dashboard library for you that you can use in your projects and make them look absolutely beautiful. These are all client components, so do with that information what you want to do, if you're happy with that or not. But it is beautiful. You don't have to use these buttons because, there are better buttons which add CN UI right here. There are just so many resources available to us now. It's so hard to become good at anything. So stick with one thing, have fun, do your own thing, and I wish you the best. I just wanted to let you know about this library because I feel like I've been waiting for this my entire 1 year of learning how to code. This is beautiful.